Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will unbox a mystery goodie bag that I received with my last DEBENHAMS order. Let's see what's inside. And first we have a beautiful small box from Giorgio Armani, and inside is Giorgio Armani new perfume sample, My Way. Well, this perfume is not for me. Jasmine feels too strong for my taste in this perfume. Now let's move to the mystery goodie bag, and first we find Acqua di Parma perfume sample. I don't know how to spell this perfume name. When I spray it on me, first I didn't like it. The smell is too woody for me, but if you give to this perfume time, it changes in such an amazing citrus scent. Lovely, very nice, I like it. Next is another perfume sample, this time from Chloe, Rose Tangerine. I love Chloe perfumes. I'm sure that this one smells beautiful. Ooh, here is a skincare product from Elizabeth Arden. It's the new hyaluronic acid ceramides capsules, Hydra Plumping Serum, and here we have 7 capsules. Very happy with this product. And next is another perfume sample, and as I feel this is not the last. L'Interdit by Givenchy. This perfume smells nice, I like it. As I said, it's not the last perfume samples. Here we have the new Good Girl from Carolina Herrera Eau de Parfum Supreme. Next is a sample of Gucci Guilty perfume for men, lovely. Here is Paco Rabanne 1 million perfume sample for men. Next we have Jean Paul Gaultier Eau de Parfum Intense sample for men too. Here we have a skincare product from Filorga, Time Filler, Absolute Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. I didn't try any cream by this brand, so I'm very curious about it. And the last is a travel size man perfume by Hugo Boss, bottled. Here we have 5 ml of a perfume. Okay, here are all the samples that was in this goodie bag. The selection of a product isn't great, too many perfume samples, at least they mix it and we have man and woman perfume samples. I'm pleased with skincare samples found inside, I will use them with pleasure. And this was today's video, I hope you like it, thank you for watching!